Yo, what is up, guys? It is Nick here with Raw Day Trading. And today in the small cap market, there was not a whole lot of exciting stuff going on, especially at the open. Gappers weren't as exciting as they were over the last week or so. The action wasn't as wild, and it all tended to be pretty sporadic. Um, Actually, the gapper was give me here. The gapper, the main dude was this stock Xena, which was a recent IPO, and it popped up, totally reversed, and that was the last we heard from it. As you can see here from the daily chart, doesn't even barely makes a new high at the open before it gets roasted. Now I do think it was a kind of weak news. Xenotech buys drone patent for a design. I mean, I don't. It sounds like they're spending money, not making money. But all that to say, I have that there. It needs to go there. Erase this. Actually, we'll look at the one minute. All that to say, this is the look that we had coming into the bell. I wanted $3. I wanted $3. I thought it was reasonable to get $3. Didn't want to give me $3. I think I bought here, and then I bought down here multiple times, getting a really heavy position just under 0.75, 2.75, looking for that $3, looking for that shot up to $3 mark. And then I stopped out, and then I tried one more time after this candle, in which I did not make any money. Pops up for a second, but the congestion is starting here, and I'm like, wow, this is not the price action that I'm looking for. It seems there's someone just unloading and unloading on this daily pop here, and I got out of the way, and the stock basically disappeared for the rest of the day. So I was looking for more to do this kind of thing here, where it either bounces down, rebounds up, then fades, or does this thing where it kind of consolidates and then pops up. I did not stick around to see either of those things happen because they didn't. It was the leading gapper. So starts off on a weak tone. Then we have EFSH coming in as the strongest name, but this is a little bit later into the morning. It was very low volume up until this candle, which I think it halted at, and then let me see here. Actually, it may not have halted. Oh, it halted. Halts there. Yep, 10:57, 10:06 halts, right? 10:06, 10:05, 10:03. Halts. Really pops up. Only 1 million shares of volume. I didn't want to jump in with this. I'm not super great at halts. I don't even know if I saw the stock till it was maybe halting for the second time right here. I think it was halting. Yeah, 710, 715. Yeah. And, once it's up here, once it's doing this, I don't feel like I'm in a great place for the week, and this is a volatile name. Uh, so that's that. I didn't trade it, which is okay. Then what else was moving? TC. We have moving TC. I kind of took some trades on, but it reminded me so much of what was that stock yesterday that I got roasted on? There's a stock yesterday. Let me look it up real quick. UAVS. I got roasted on UAVS. Roasted myself, more like it, on UAVS. And I hope I saw this part. This is a good spot to trade right here. I like this one. But a lot of times when it goes like that, I lose attention for it and I walk away. But this was kind of a mover, and I think I'm flat on it. What is it? TC. Oh no, I'm up $80. Okay. So up $80 on that, which is nothing. eFresh, I'm flat. Again, probably scarred from yesterday. Not the setups that I was trading were not working the right way. Or is not as easy to manage the spread risk and the volatility as I thought it would be. And it kept me from really doing well on it and pursuing. Basically, I got faked out by level 2 the entire time. And it kept me from doing much more. And I was scared of getting faked out again, like I got faked out yesterday. And also losing my cool, because I didn't want to lose my cool. Got to keep the cool. So, keeping the cool, didn't trade it. Let these both kind of like slip through my fingers. It says this NXL is moving here. Yeah, there it is. I was looking. Definitely was watching this one into the end of the day. And there's that late evening or early evening pop there in the after hours market. And it ends up doing what everyone was waiting for it to do, like right here, I guess, which is just rocket. All right. NXL was another one. I don't know if I made any money on this. Oh, I'm up 140. Okay. So that kind of cut the loss I had from this stupid penny stock NX, the other NX, which is NXU, this stupid thing. It was up so much. It was probably a lot of the attention at the open. It does this silly chop around thing, which is so annoying. I don't even think I traded this. I was just like, leave that away. Leave that alone. I'll take something that I can understand. But I just took a couple trades on this. I thought they were decent trades, and got roasted on them. Pretty sure I traded maybe this pullback here, maybe this right here, this attempt at the high again, and I don't know. I lost 150 on top of being down 100, and then like $50 on this stupid QS, which was the most controlled, weird action for this price range and this type of stock. It said the float was low. I'm actually going to double check that right now because it was not acting like a low float stock. It was controlled. I remember QS. I actually traded this thing when it was at 100. Yeah, this thing was definitely. Yeah, that's why. Okay, why did I not see that? I gotta check this here. This stupid scanner. No, the scanner was right. I didn't pay attention. I just thought, for some reason, why did I not see that? Huh. Did I think that the volume was the float? I might have. Oh, but I made a mistake on that. I didn't realize the float, and I started trading it and I lost $50. I was quick to adjust based on the price action, which is good. $50 is nothing at all. CCTG was another name that I took an attempt on, and it was doing this kind of like recover partially in the morning from this nonsense. I was looking at it for maybe a continuation to 361 or to 4. It gets to 32, which is actually pretty normal because this is a 200 days right here, I believe. I hope that's right. Yeah, about right. Yeah, so it taps the 200 day. The 200 day may have shifted with that outsized candle, but or maybe I had it done inaccurately. But I lose a little bit of money on that. Does this consolidation thing and then reverses. But noticing that this has happened with a lot of like goes and then does this and then reverses. Anyways, forgot exactly where I traded it, but I traded it at some point and I gave back a little bit. Not really too exciting. Huh. Oh, sorry, I just got distracted reading news. And I think that's it. I think that was pretty much the day. I sat around after I missed eFresh. I knew that was the one. I also knew I was too timid on it, and I should have been more aggressive. This is not looking like. Why is that on the scanner? Oh, that's why. Because I'm all the way back in the day. Let's just do it for shits and giggles. Look at this CREG. Actually, no news. Does the daily say anything? Daily says no reason to be moving, and it's at the 200. In Excel, this is such a wild chart. Actually, it's not super wild, but in Excel, coming back down. All right. Well, I'm going to call it there. Peace out, guys. Hope you had a great day. I'm sitting down $140, which is okay. Stop out. I'm all right with that. Again, being responsible, pushing my edge where I have it, and today I did not have much of it, or I did not push appropriately in the right areas, which is okay too. Anyways, it was a pleasure talking to y'all. Have a wonderful day. Oh, and day trading is risky. My results are not typical. Most day traders lose money. Peace.